Presidente Repubblica José Ramos Horta halo encontro ho representante IOM iha Timor-Leste, Joel Tricia Ali, hodi diskuti gestão segurança no migração.
Banhira remata halau encontro representante IOM iha Timor-Leste, Joel Tricia Ali, jornalista, iha Palácio Presidencial Bairro PT terça nedehan, encontro ho chefe Estado colhe conaba missão IOM iha Timor-Leste, não se discutir muito com a assunto gestão ordem segurança.
And I just had another meeting with the president of Timor-Leste, providing him with an update on what IOM has been doing in the country for the last couple of years, and particularly the last few months since my arrival. And I also discussed with him some of the priorities on issues of migration moving forward.
What priorities?
Some of the issues we discussed. As IOM, we do get involved in a number of areas because migration is cross-cutting. So we discuss issues of border management and security. We also discussed issues of displacement that happens as a result of natural hazards such as flooding and landslides. All of these form key aspects of our work here in Timor-Leste.
Security about?
Border management.
Nihateten asunto balong na benia ho chefe Estado diskuti, liga ho atividade saida mag IOM bela envolvean, no asunto seluk mag liga ho gestão ordem no segurança iha fronteira. Iha hasorumalo ne Presidente República José Ramos Horta senti contente ho dihare progresso serviço nebe mag IOM halona iha Timor-Leste. Emerenciana Pinto, STL News.